Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to automate meeting notes with ChatGPT and Google Docs. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Have you ever left a meeting wondering what was decided and who needs to follow up? Automating your notes can save you from post-meeting scramble. First, open a blank Google Doc and give it a clear title like Auto Meeting Notes. Next, head over to chat.openai.com and create a new chat, where you set the scene for ChatGPT like tell it you will be pasting audio transcript or live text, and you'd like concise summaries, action items, and decisions. You should also save that prompt so you can use it again and again. Now during your meeting, click voice typing in Google Docs, use your mic and let it capture the conversation. After every few minutes, copy the latest transcript snippet and paste it into your ChatGPT chat. In seconds, you will get a neat, bulleted summary back, complete with next steps and attendee highlights. Paste those right into your doc under a timestamp heading to keep everything organized. With this simple setup, Google Docs for capture and ChatGPT for summarizing, you will breeze through meetings, stay focused, and never miss a follow-up. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.